Mm-mm. No. Pi r squared. There you go. Okay, so equation of a circle, r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Just to practice the equation. So here, my center would be at, careful, anybody have any guesses? Nope, that's the r squared part. So that's a good guess, but think back, even with parabolas, anytime we have something in parentheses and we take a number out, what do we have to do? Anytime we've got a number in parentheses when we're graphing, when we take a number out of parentheses, we always do something.
Wait, don't you
No. You change, what do you change, Lexi?
like if it's
You got it. You make it opposite. So it would be -10, -5. Right? Just like when we did quadratics, right? You'd always, if it's in parentheses, you make it opposite. That's okay. I understand. But the other way to think about that is look at the way the equation is. If you look up here in the equation, do you see how it says minus h? Minus h, and this one was a plus here. So then that's another way you can think about getting the negative. Okay?
Wait, why did we get the opposite?
Opposite. And then the 25 is the r squared. So does that mean my radius is 25?
No,
We got to square root it. Good. So r is 5. And that's what the question asked you to find, the center and the radius. Okay, let's try another one. My h for this one is going to be what? Anyone think they know? Lexi?
just be -9.
Good. And then what's my k? Lexi again or anyone?
-1.
Good. And then 16, that's my radius, right? No, that's my radius squared. Yeah. We'll do one more together and then I'll have you try one on your own. Okay? Center on C. What's my H? Try again. So close. 14. Always reverse it if it's in parentheses. And then my K? Good. 15 is, careful, that's r squared. That's not my radius. That's my radius squared, right? So now I'm going to square root it. It's not a perfect square, so we're going to need to make a factor tree. Is there any pairs in that? Not 15. There we go. Square root 15 is my radius.
Which one do you want us to try?
D. I'm going to walk around and make sure we're doing all right. I want you to try D.